What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler and this is Earth's Cuisine. And I'd like to wish you a very happy 4th of July. So Cap'n Crunch released their red, white, and blue crunch again this year. And this year they have them in star-shaped, which I think is pretty neat. So I got my hands on a box and I decided I'm going to make a recipe with them as well. And that's why today I'm going to show you how to make some vegan Cap'n Crunch 4th of July parfaits. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So, if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. I'm not going to use exact measurements for this because it all depends on what kind of container you're using. I'm using this right here, but you're just going to make some layers of sliced strawberries, some granola, some vegan yogurt mixed with maple syrup, some blueberries and raspberries, some red, white, and blue Cap'n Crunch, and you're going to top it all off with some vegan Cool Whip. All right, let's put these together.
Delicious.
And here we have our vegan Cap'n Crunch 4th of July parfaits. You probably noticed I experimented with some different layers because I think that's part of the fun of this. And you know, parfaits have layers, and everybody loves parfait. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget, drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I I hope you have an awesome 4th of July. Peace.